Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and behind me here today, we're here to show the 2022 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Beautiful boat here. It's got the glacier green hull bottom. This does have stainless steel components and rub rail and a white rub rail as well. With this boat, you will get a galvanized trailer. Got the Boston Whaler chrome graphics here and a ladder at the stern to get in and out of the water a lot easier. This does have a 40 horsepower Mercury outboard. There's a reason why these boats have been around since the 1950s. They last forever. The inside is built with foam, solid boats. You literally can't sink them. A couple different options here that you can get with the seating is some sport seats with a backrest and also a windshield, and you can put a bimini top on these boats as well. So they're pretty customizable, and we're happy to install those parts for you here at our store in Rogers. And this is located, it's available at our store in Rogers. Stop by, make an appointment. We'd be happy to show you around.